stick with him. Don't blow your cover.
Yes, sir.
You sure this is gonna work? Just trust me. Follow my lead.
What's up, money? You got a problem? What you looking at my ass for? Nah, yo, hold my poodle. Hold my poodle. Hey, yo, what's up? Y'all got a problem? Y'all want some of this? You want some of this, punk? What? What, boy? What? I'll take the both of you. What? I got this for you. Kiss my black ass. What? Cut it out. Why you looking at me like I'm some kind of girl, man? You are a girl. You better start acting like one or you're gonna be an unemployed girl.
Damn. I sure like to cut that cake.
Hey, yo, hold it. Hey, yo, you trying to look at my lumps? I'll pull off my G-string and handle mine. I'll handle mine, dog.
Let's go, man.